Number 1. My ancestors are my vehicles, appreciate, resources, descendants. Number 2. We brought the bananas in a blank to the store. Boomed, vehicle, appreciate, resources. Number 3. The town blank right up before our eyes. Boomed, vehicles, descendants, population. Number 4. We need blank to get to Fort Worth. Population, appreciate, resources, transportation. Number 5. Mr. Moody will blank all the hard work we do. Appreciate, resources, agreeable, population. Number 6. Use all of your blank to answer the question. Vehicles, resources, population, descendants. Number 7. She is such an blank person. Agreeable, boomed, transportation, population. Number 8. The blank of our town is around 6,000. Appreciate, resources, agreeable, population. Number 9. To give an idea. Resources, thoughtful, suggest, population. Number 10. To describe a thought. Suggest, expresses, agreeable, descendants.